All right. So we're going to talk about a couple of things here. We're going to talk about side hustles, a way to make money online, right? And we're talking about the number three search engine in the world. You got Google, you got YouTube, and you got Pinterest. Pinterest is a search engine. Social media, okay? There's a bunch of good things about Pinterest, and we're going to go through some stuff. First of all, it's like 78% women on Pinterest. Women do most of the shopping. So if you're looking to market stuff and you're looking to sell stuff online, you're building an audience, Pinterest is a good place to do that. There's certain niches that work in Pinterest. Fashion, travel, beauty, stuff like that all works. Anything to do with women, basically. Redecorating, stuff like that. Furniture, all that kind of stuff. Anything like that works. Art works. Okay, music works. And people go on Pinterest, and let me see if I turn around and I give you some of the facts on Pinterest. 25 facts, okay. 25 things you didn't know. There are over 200 billion pins on Pinterest. 72% are women, like I said. 83% of users make a purchase after seeing a pin on Pinterest. So that's a big percentage. 83% of people who see a pin make a purchase. Pinterest is the third biggest social network. Pinterest is the third biggest social network in the U.S. All right, and that's as of 2019. TikTok's probably up there now. Pinterest has garnered $400 million in revenue in the last quarter, so that's pretty big. Pinterest is the only social network to make it to the top 10 relevant brand in the United States. 98% of users say they've tried something new they found on Pinterest. 83% of weekly users have made a purchase based on a brand content on Pinterest. International Pinterest users are growing in number. Okay, there's 247 billion monthly active users on Pinterest. Okay, that's crazy. 40% of fathers are on there. 85% of pinners use the platform on their phones. 48% of pinners use it for shopping. Basically, it's the place you want to be if you're selling, right? It's the place you want to be if you're selling is Pinterest. All right. So what do you do? Now I've gone over stuff in my other lives about doing it on Instagram and YouTube, where you go to Amazon, you sign up for the Amazon Associates program, and you get your associate link, you get your product links from the Amazon, and you put it on Pinterest. And I'm going to show you how we're going to do that in a minute. But we were talking about Pinterest and Amazon, right? So what do? You sign up for the Amazon affiliate program, right? You sign up for the Amazon affiliate program. Now I'm going to share my screen. All right. So this is the Holly Stone HS190. This drone was sent to me by Holy Stone. It's a beginner drone, very easy. Taking it out of the box and use it was real easy to use. I'm going to show you the video in a second. But when you sign up for Amazon Associate Program, you're going to have this site stripe up here. The site stripe is up here on the top. Now when you go over here to text, you hit the text button, it'll drop down menu. This is your link. You're going to take this link and you're going to put it in your social media. Okay, so now the next step to this is to go, and I'm going to share my screen again. I'm going to go to the Pinterest screen. So this is the Pinterest screen. So if we search best first drone out of the box, okay, here's my video, best first drone. You click the video and it's going to come out of it. There's the video. All right, so you're going to play the video. Now this was me taking it out of the box. Now when they sent it to me, I said, I'm a terrible drone pilot. I said I'm a terrible drone pilot, but they're going to send it to me. I said I'm going to take it out of the box, put it on my kitchen table. It was the middle of winter. You can't really fly it outside. I'm just going to fly it around. I'm going to look at the directions, and I'm going to try and sync it up together and see what happens. I'm going to take a video and see if it works. And it worked pretty good. It's a pretty good little drone. All right, but this, you take the video and you put it on Pinterest, and here's the Amazon link right here. So they click this Amazon link. It's going to bring them to Amazon, and then what happens is they get what's called cookied to me. They get attached to me so that Amazon knows that I drove the traffic to Amazon. Whatever that person buys when they go to Amazon for 24 hours, I would get a commission for it. And that's how people make money as an affiliate for Amazon. They make videos on social media. We're using Pinterest right now, but they use, of course, YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, any one of them. And they put the video on there, they put the link in. When the people are going to Amazon, they get cookied to go to Amazon, and you get a commission. It works really well. Okay, so this is the Holly Stone HS190 beginner drone. Pretty cool little drone. And this is flying it at slow speed. Okay, I'm gonna, can I mute this? So this is flying it at slow speed, very easy to control. I'm just buzzing it around the kitchen and the dining room, flying it around. I even bounced this off the wall in the corner there, and it doesn't crash. I was able to recover because I'm at slow speed. Really good, really cool drone. If you're looking for a beginner drone, you never flown a drone before, this is the one that you want to get. This is the drone you want to get. But really, the point of this whole thing is the video. You make the video, you put it on social media, you sign up for Amazon Associates program, the Amazon affiliate program, you get the link from Amazon on the site Stripe like I just showed you, and then you put it in the video and you drive traffic to Amazon. And as you drive traffic to Amazon, you're going to make affiliate commissions. Okay? And that's the trick of it. That's the trick of it right there. And I think this is where I bounce off the wall right here, and you can see it. Look at this. Bam! Pretty hard. That was pretty hard. Okay? That was pretty hard off the wall, and it didn't crash. Didn't crash. All right, so we're not going to share the screen there anymore, but that's Pinterest. Okay? So you make a video. You take the video, you put it on Pinterest, and of course it's an SEO, search engine optimization, so you have to have a title with keywords in it so it can be searchable on the Pinterest search engine. So, and then you have a description, just like in YouTube, and you put what's called keywords in the description that'll get so that the algorithm can pick it up, so the search engine can pick it up and find it. And when people search, like I said, they would look best first drone out of the box, that video comes up first or second, right? Pretty cool. All right. So you sign up to Amazon. I'm going to show you. Let's go back over to Amazon. I'm going to share the screen again. I'm going to share the screen again. Okay. So any page on Amazon, any product at all will have this site Stripe up here. Okay. Now, how do you sign up for Amazon? You go all the way to the bottom. Let's go all the way to the bottom. All right. Make money with us. Okay, you come down to become an affiliate right here. Become an affiliate. You click that. I'm not going to click it because it's going to bring you to my account. But if I didn't have an account already, it would bring me to the sign up page, and you could sign up and put in your information and get going. But in the meantime, then after that, any page on Amazon, you come up to the top. There's a site Stripe, and you click that, and there's your link. You put that link in your social media, to your videos, to your posts, to whatever it is, and you drive traffic to Amazon, and that's what you do. All right. Okay. Site Stripe is on every product has a site Stripe on it. But you make the video, and you put the link in the video. All right, and that's how you're making money. Now,